Hi everybody, welcome to Full Stack Web Development Program, also called Internet Programming. I am Sandeep Gupta, founder of Study Cycle Mumbai, and in my entire career I have taught coding to at least 50,000 students online or in person. Now I am excited to be your instructor in this particular course. Now before we start with the course, let's try and understand what this course contains. So in this particular course, you'll be studying not one or two languages, but a total of 5 languages starting with HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, MySQL and PHP. Of these languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript will constitute the front end and MySQL and PHP will constitute the back end. More on front end and back end after some time. Now, apart from these languages, you'll be studying some important technologies like jQuery, JSON, XML, Ajax, and so on. Now, let's understand the importance of this particular course. So guys, if you have this course in your university syllabus, then trust me, this is one of the best courses which your university is offering you. Why? Because after doing this particular course, you will be almost job ready, or I will say at least internship ready. So having taken up this course, in your next vacation, you can actually apply to some company as an intern or even for a full-time job. The importance of this course can be understood from the fact that you cannot design any web app without HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now guys, tell me one thing, can you design a website, can you develop a website without Java? Of course you can. Without Python? Definitely you can, but not without HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And that is why these 3 languages are very important. You need to know them. At the end of our course, I'll be providing you a course completion certificate and also a project internship letter. We'll be doing many small projects throughout our entire course, and at the end of the course, we'll be developing a big fully functional website similar to Facebook. Although all the technologies which we are going to study in this course are important, but the most important is JavaScript. So guys, in my next video, I'm going to talk about the importance of JavaScript in slight detail. Let's go to the next video.